Hey everyone, today I will show you how to create engaging social media content quickly and easily using Predis.ai. Let's get started. First of all, sign up or log into Predis AI. Head over to Predis AI and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, you will see option to start creating content for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Select your content type. Choose what type of content you need. Predis.ai can help create posts, stories, and even videos. Just select the platform and format, and Predis will customize it accordingly. In the content creator tool, enter your topic or idea. Predis.ai will generate captions, hashtags, and visuals based on this topic. You can refine or edit as needed to fit your brand's voice. Once Predis.ai generate your content, you will see suggested visuals, captions, and hashtags. Customize them if you'd like, or simply what's provided, it's ready to go. Finally, download your post, or if you are set up, publish it directly to your social media. Predis.ai makes content creation fast and easy, so you are all set to stay consistent online. And that's it. With Predis.ai, creating social media content is faster than ever. Thanks for watching and happy posting.